Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make restaurant-style fried rice. First, gather your ingredients, ensuring everything is prepped and ready to go. Using day-old, cold rice is absolutely essential for achieving the perfect texture, preventing it from becoming mushy. We'll be cooking at a very high temperature, so having everything chopped and measured beforehand will make the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This preparation is key to a successful dish. Achieving that authentic wok high, or smoky breath, is all about intense heat. Start by heating your wok or large pan until it's visibly smoking, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook your proteins and vegetables in small, separate batches to prevent overcrowding, which can lower the temperature and steam the food instead of frying it. Quickly stir-fry each component, then push it to the side, making room for the next ingredient to cook properly. The secret to delicious fried rice lies in its balanced seasoning. A classic combination includes 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce for color, and a half teaspoon of sesame oil for aroma. Don't forget a pinch of white pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar to round out the flavors. Fresh aromatics like minced garlic and ginger, added early, provide a foundational layer of taste that truly elevates the dish to restaurant quality. Once all your components are cooked, it's time for the grand finale. Bring everything together in the hot wok, tossing vigorously for about 1 to 2 minutes to ensure even heating and distribution of flavors. A quick splash of a secret sauce, perhaps a half teaspoon of oyster sauce, can add an extra layer of umami. Serve immediately, garnished with freshly chopped green onions, for a truly satisfying and authentic restaurant-style fried rice experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.